Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Poco C3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, find Tools and open Clock. Then tap on the plus icon and set up an hour. Click on Ringtone and pick one of the ringtones by tapping on it and going back. Choose Repeat and pick once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to pick days of the week by tapping on them and save it by clicking OK. Now tap on the switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to enable or disable vibrations. Then click on label and label your alarm however you want. When you're done, tap at the top right corner. Now to save your alarm, tap at the top right corner again. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!